Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here I have the Gshock GM-S110 and I'm gonna show you how to sync your watch hands, adjust your watch hands or realign your watch hands, whatever you like it. What it is? Well, basically strong magnetism or impact can cause the watch hands to go out of the alignment, and in essence that means that our analog time does not correspond to our digital time over here. In this case it is correct, but I will show you how to realign your watch hands if they are out of the alignment with your digital time displayed. So whilst in the standard timekeeping mode, press and hold the upper left button for about 5 seconds. Watch me as I do it and you will figure out when to release it, and I will say it. So press and hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. So double beep is required to here to release the adjust button, and it will also be indicated over here with these 3 zeros. Now the watch hands should align exactly at 12 o'clock. But if they are not aligned, you can press the upper left button to move it counterclockwise or lower left button to move it clockwise until they are aligned exactly at 12 o'clock. So both of the hands should be aligned. Let me see if I can engage the fast rotation by pressing and holding one of these two buttons. Yes, there is. So if your hands are way out of the alignment, you can press and hold the button and the watch will start fast rotating your watch hands. To stop the fast rotation, simply press one of those two buttons once and the watch will stop them. Again, as I said previously, the point of this tutorial is to align your watch hands exactly at 12 o'clock. Once we have aligned them, to implement the setting, simply press the adjust button once and the watch hands should go to the correct time. So it is 23 o'clock and 40 minutes and they are properly aligned. Thank you very much for watching. That was another video on my channel. And if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.